Hello guys, my name is Kesziregbe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe. Today I'll be showing you the part 2 of my half up, half down wigs. So stay tuned. Hello. So in this tutorial I want to show you guys how I'm going to be wearing my half wig, up down wig. This is the half wig, and this is the ponytail that goes at the top. You can see I styled my hair. I packed some parts here and I moved these ones to the back. Okay, so the back is where the first portion is going to go in, the part with the combs and everything. So I just want you guys to see how I'm going to do this. So this is the first comb in front. I'll just take this to the back, fix this right there and there. It's very simple, very easy. The two combs at the back, I'll put it in there, just tuck it in right there. And next I'll clip the back. Okay, I want to make sure that my comb is really in and secured. Okay, you might want to take this comb upwards a bit so that the hair at the back is fully covered and properly covered. Okay, so there we have that at the back. You can see that. So this is the down part, the half wig. It's called a half wig because it's literally a half wig. Okay, so next is the ponytail part. And like I said in the earlier video, I would have made mine a bit shorter because I feel this is so long. You have to wrap and wrap, but you guys will see what I'm talking about now. So just place this here. You can start from one end, use your ribbon, go around with that first. Okay, then I'm going to go around now. So it's not that hard, just go around gradually. Make sure it's firm. Get the hair out of the way as you go around. Okay. Once you get to the end, I'll tie this firmly around it. Okay. So I'm trying to get the hair out of the way. Then flip this over to the back, and I need to get my bobby pin. To give me 1 minute to do that. So I have my bobby pins here. So I'll just, so this is the first stage. So next I'll pick some hair from the back here. Okay, you can see this is a bit bulky. That's what I was saying. I would have used less hair, but it's still okay. You can still get it done. You just need to wrap this around. Using my bobby pin, I'll pin it down. And that's how we get our half up, half wig hair. Half up, half down wig. Okay, so let's start with that. Okay, so you can see this is really high because the hair here is quite much, but this is basically it anyway. This is a half up, half down wig. I love this wig. This is so gorgeous, so beautiful. I can't wait to see what you guys are gonna make. This video is really short, so I just went straight to the point. You can style this, you can add some, embellishment to your hair just to make it look better, do better with the baby hair, do better makeup, of course. Like this is. So this is literally the half up, half down wig. This is how it's going to look like, and I think this is gorgeous. It's really easy. If you follow the tutorial really well, you should have something that looks like this. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I can't wait to see what you guys will make for yourselves, and please make sure you send to me, leave your comments in the comment section, and please like this video and make sure you subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, okay? Oh my god, thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Like, I'm just so blown by your love and your comments. Thank you so much. I see them. I love you. Thank you so much for subscribing. Mwah.